In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Vercel deployment public. If you've ever needed to share a live preview of your app with a client, teammate, or stakeholder who isn't in your Vercel project, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to open up access in a safe, controlled way. First, log into your Vercel dashboard and select the project you are working on. If you manage multiple teams or orgs, double-check that you are in the correct scope so you see the right project. Once you are inside the project, we're going straight to the Deployments area. Look for the Deployments tab near the top navigation. This page lists every deployment created for the project, including previews created from branches and production deployments. Next, choose the specific deployment you want to make public. This is often a preview deployment tied to a branch or pull request. Click into it to open the deployment details page. Here you'll see logs, metadata, and a toolbar that contains sharing controls. Now open the share settings by clicking the share button in the toolbar. This brings up a share popover with access options for your deployment link. By default, some deployments may be restricted to team members, which is why external viewers can't open them without signing in. To change that, look for the Access dropdown in the popover and switch it to Unknown with the link. This setting makes the deployment accessible to anyone who has the URL without requiring a Vercel account. It's a simple way to collaborate and gather feedback from people outside your workspace while still keeping the link unlisted. To make sure everything is working the way you expect, copy the deployment link from the share popover. Open an incognito or private browsing window in your browser. This ensures you are not using your logged-in session and paste the link. If the page loads immediately without asking for authentication, your deployment is now public to anyone who has the link. If you see a sign-in prompt, go back to the share settings and confirm the access is set to Unknown with the link. Then test again. A couple of quick tips: remember that Unknown with the link does not index the deployment publicly, but you should still be cautious about sharing it widely. If you later need to restrict access again, you can return to the same share settings and change it back. That's it. Thanks for watching.